I'm Paul Fairbrass. I'm Technical Director for SBS Insurance Services. SBS are a company that handle insurance claims for around 25 different insurance companies across the UK. There were lots of insurance claims that we actually weren't replacing for a customer. For older antique pieces of jewellery that customers wanted to have replaced but couldn't go to the high street to get that work done. I watched an article some time back and it just sparked my ideas that we may well be able to 3D print jewellery and replace jewellery that was unobtainable in the high street. And from that we then started to initiate conversations with the BCU, who are recognised as a great partner with their skills, innovation and ability to actually introduce graduates into our business. BCU introduced us to a KTP scheme and introduced us into Innovate UK. That brought with it a KTP associate, expertise and funding that was fundamental for us to move this scheme forward, to look at innovative ways of dealing with the insurance claims. We built a great relationship with the BCU and together developed ideas for 3D printing of jewellery, the CAD design within the office and a validation tool. The overall results of the KTP scheme over the 30 months have been absolutely fantastic. We received an excellent scoring from Innovate UK. We've expanded our workforce by around 20%. We've expanded our relationships with insurance companies across all commodities because we're enabled to demonstrate a disruptive but positive move into digital claim handling. The overall community has benefited as we've increased the number of staff and also opened further offices in Buxton and Stockport. In my experience, I'd certainly encourage companies to talk to universities about KTPs and the benefits that they can bring from that. It certainly worked for us and I think it would work for many other companies in many different areas of business.